We have Polygon symbol MATIC versus the dollar. We haven't done a video on this one in a while just because it hasn't been too interesting, but it has held its higher lows on the weekly and the macro scale right here and rallying at the exact time that you want to see it, something like this rally at. And it is approaching its last little swing high right around 190. Technically speaking, I do want to see it either trade above the wick high of it or especially close above that high, which is 192 it looks like, alongside expanding volatility over here would imply that this one very likely does resolve its short and medium term time frame range and initiate targets back up towards its macro range highs in this case, which is about 2.25 or so over time. With that in mind, I still would hesitate on getting extremely excited about this thing, although this is obviously very, very good here over a long period of time until you do close at minimum a daily above that 2.25 region, which would imply a technical target all the way up to about $3.50 or so. Now, there is an invalidation as always on these sort of setups, which would be below about 169. Of course, it's not financial advisor, not financial advisor, as you very likely know, but I do want to see what momentum looks like over here, which is what I do not know right now. Monthly Stokes are actually freshly turning up above 111, and this is coming into December open, so this is actually quite good. Weekly will turn back up above 198, which it is within striking distance of, and would imply that it does get above there if it does resolve this very short-term and medium-term time frame move, which I'm sort of leaning towards, and daily remains upside postured as long as above 174, so looking quite good there as well. Again, be aware of the invalidation. Long-term on the macro scale doesn't really lose its long-term good setup with its higher lows as long as you're above 150, so for right now, this one actually looking quite good. Lower-term time frames like a 4-hour are trending right now and actually looking, well, at least for a test of that 195 wick high right there. Hourly, same shit. In fact, trending on all time frames, it looks like quite good. Another drive of hidden bullish evidence of that last low. Yeah, I am biased towards the upside on this one. Hopefully that's helpful, and there you go for MATIC.